If you get my voice on screen, those who are attending in online, guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online, guys, please check it. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online. All right. Good evening, guys. All right, sir. Then check it. What we completed in the last session. And all of you are getting videos access. Is it? All of you are getting videos access and classroom notes. All of you are getting classroom notes. No response. And it is a default service for everybody. And then when you join with the course, automatically you are going to get that videos access. And what next one there? This service totally this classroom notes. So some people are going to the office and some people are asking to the our administrators for the sake of videos how much we have to pay, how much amount we have to pay for the sake of videos. After taking admission, people are even ready to pay some payments. Already they are asking the same thing in the office now, especially from our batch. Right from our demo onwards, I'm giving clarity. Video support is a default service, default support to all of you. When we join with the course, automatically you're eligible to take that video support. Maybe one day it may be delayed to send access link to you, but anyway, you are able to get it. Already given one permanent solution for it regarding this. Okay. What is the number I given there? In that number I given already for the sake of this videos there. I think so. This is the first number, right? This is the first number. We can take that number and we can contact with the admin people. Then they're able to provide that support to you, video support. No need to pay anything extra for the sake of this. That's one thing I'm telling there. And in Durgasoft, what services you are able to get by default to everybody. First one is, yeah, this one, right? First one is video support as well as classroom notes, classroom applications access also I will provide later on, but not immediately. If the application is a lengthy application, if it is not possible to copy that application in our document, then definitely I will provide some applications folder. There I'm able to upload applications, somewhat lengthy applications. Max in our core Java, applications length will be very, very small. Maybe one file or maybe another file. That's it, max 2 files. So max I'm able to copy paste that applications in our document, classroom notes. Not only that, and for the online students, soft copy PDF material is also be provided. For the offline students, hard copy material is also be provided at our office there. It is chargeable for hard copy. For soft copy, it's okay for online students. That is another one. And one more important thing, in the future, not immediately, definitely we are going to have some company drives are available. Definitely some companies will come here and the companies will take drives here at our campus. So for the sake of these companies also, for the sake of these recruitment drives also, no need to pay even a single NP. This is also a default support, default service for everybody if you join courses at Durgasoft. Try to remember this. Don't go to our office there. Don't give any money to our office people, not required. Still, if you want to give some donations to Durgasoft, I will give my account number, try to deposit there. Even minimum 1 lakh rupees is required. Don't deposit hundreds and thousands now. Minimum 1 lakh. Or else, if you don't want to deposit directly through money, no problem. Gifts are also acceptable. Minimum gift cost is 1 lakh. Then only you can go for it. Right, sir. So just information I'm telling there. Don't waste your money. Already, how much payment we have paid for Durgasoft? That's okay. That is up to like what are the courses. There's a cost for courses, but all the things we are going to provide as a default service from Durgasoft. That's the information I'm telling to you. Right. Nice. Now let's come for the content here. And one more thing, I want to give clarity here. Right, sir. And one more thing, I'm giving clarity there. Yeah, companies will come to Durgasoft, but what's going to be that companies are expecting there, that companies are not ready to conduct any online test. They want to conduct one there only offline test only. So if any of you, if any of online students wants to attend for it, you must come to the Hyderabad and you have to attend for the sessions. Right? Understand it now. Everybody understand my point now. All right, sir. Then apart from this, then what I'm telling there, right? Then we have to come there. Why? Because otherwise they don't want to allow the company's policies. If companies are ready to conduct online tests, I don't have any problem. I'll send our profiles to the respective company and they will take care about the remaining process. But the point is what? First of all, I have to filter the people here. And there they want to get that offline students. See, in which way that companies are coming to us. For example, if you select in any one company, for example, on Friday in general, Friday or Saturday or maybe Sunday, the companies are going to start their process there. On weekends only, Saturday and Sunday, they want to finalize the list. If you're selecting in that respective company, if you selected there, in the next day onwards, joining date. And Monday onwards, definitely if the Sunday, if you are selected, Monday onwards, the joining date. Or max 1 or 2 days of gap only they are able to provide. In that way, companies will come to us. Understand it here? This is not in any engineering college. Understand it here? Then on immediate requirement only, they are coming to us. They want to take the students from here. Observe carefully. So as per that only here we are going to process the students. So first of all, I have to conduct one written test. If you are selected immediately in the next day, company will start their process. Understand it now? In that process, if you are selected in the next day of that process, you have to join with the company. That's it. They are the scenarios what you are having there. So if you are ready, then come to Hyderabad and try to attend for the physical test. Physical test in the sense you have to appear for the test in offline. Then after that your paper is going to be evaluated. If you are at the up to the level, definitely you are going to company will start process over your resume. This is a content case. That is one thing. And another thing is like what I'm telling there. 7:30 videos link. 7:30. I think 6 o'clock videos link you are getting, right? Right, sir. Yeah, definitely. 7:30 you are able to get. Don't worry. Definitely within might be today or tomorrow you are able to get. Don't worry regarding the 7:30 videos link also. And one more thing I'm telling you guys, those who are attending at 7:30, if you open that 6 o'clock video link now, there 7:30 videos are also available. Same content at 6 o'clock I've discussed it there. It's available. No need to wait for that 7:30 link. You can start watching the video, watching the video there right from beginning. There we are able to get it. Okay, don't worry. Then one day I will take time on the day. I will set up that videos also. Actually, I'm not uploading that videos. My admin people are uploading that videos when the class is completed, but they don't know much technology, right? They're not technical. So one day I will take the responsibility and then I'll prepare folders for each and every topic. Topic wise, I will prepare the folders there. In that folder, the respective videos I will provide. Don't worry for it. Maybe very soon I will provide that one. I have to sit for it. Our admin people are not aware about much the technical and all. What content is available inside the core Java, they don't know. Simply they have a drive. The class is going on. It's a core Java class. Simply they are uploading that class in the drive. That's it. They are not going to think even what exactly the topic is going on inside the class now. Just they are going to download the video on the base of the core Java title. That's it. They are going to keep that video in the respective folder. Understand it? Right, guys. Then, and one more thing, yesterday might be some of you have given information there. One video is a wrong video there. No, actually we checked it. That video is the right video only, but only the first starting when we open the video. My previous class is at 12 o'clock Springer class. That page might be available there, but if you open that video, if you move forward there, core Java content is available. No wrong videos are uploaded there. Right videos are uploaded. That's okay, fine. Yeah, after completion of the course, companies will come. Definitely, I'm telling to you clearly, even after completion of the courses also, we used to send messages to everybody. You can come here and you can select if you're not selected here. No. We don't have any restrictions over the number of students, then duration of these company drives, how long we are going to attend, not like that. Once you are the member of Durgasoft, definitely we are going to provide open platform for everybody. Depends on your thing. But as per my view, what I'm telling to you, maximum students, if you are in a full stack now, maximum people, when we are at a core Java, maybe companies are not come for you. That means you are at core Java in the sense your knowledge may not be sufficient for it. Whenever we are in a frameworks, Spring framework, Spring Boot, microservices, that is the right time to attend for companies. By the time, for that students only companies will come. Rarely, one or two companies will come for only core Java students. But majority of the companies are expecting Spring Boot, microservices students nowadays with respect to the Java. So what I'm telling there, whenever we are in a Spring Boot microservices, no, that is the right time. There, if companies are coming, then definitely we are going to be selected. That's the point I'm telling there. Okay, fine. Whenever we are in Spring Boot microservices, no, even without completing your course, you are going to be selected. Sure, I'm sure about it. And one more thing, even if we complete the course, after completion of the course, within 1 month, you are going to be selected with any company. I'm sure about it. In my classes, 80% is a success rate. For every 100 members, 80 members are going to be selected either through Durgasoft platform or through outside walk-ins, or maybe with some experience. Whatever it may be, definitely 80% of the people are going to be selected. Please remember this. At the same time, I'm telling one more point. This is not job guarantee program. I'm totally against to job guarantee programs. No, I'll not think about the job guarantee programs. But more than job guarantee program, we want to give support. Why? Because then, as per my philosophy, job guarantee program is a blunder. Simple reason. Simple reason I'm telling there. See, even for me also, too much pressure is coming there at the time of starting these classes. Why don't you conduct the job guarantee programs? We are going to give support for you. Try to conduct job guarantee program like this, and too much pressure is coming. But still, as per my personal view, then I'm not allowing that. Straightly, I followed this content-based program only. It's not job guarantee program, but it is a content guarantee program. What I'm conducting now. Why? Because what I believe in the content here, if you're strong in technology, if you have the subject, you can apply for any company, we can play with that interface. That's a simple philosophy. If it is a job guarantee program, what's going to be happen there? We are unable to deliver this much of content to the students. At the same time, we have to give only set of interview questions to you. Within 3 months of time, we have to complete the total full stack. Within 3 months of time max, we are able to give only interview questions and their answers only. You have to buttify that interview questions. You have to go for interviews. When we go for interviews there, then what's going to be happen there? Institute will manage that interviews. Maybe interviews may ask the same questions to you. Even you might be selected in the company. But after selecting in the company, then what's going to be happen? You will be bounced back. Again, we have to come out within 2 months of time. The companies will fire you, sure. Without having knowledge in Java, we are going to prepare we are going to finish the projects in the companies. No, it's not at all possible. That's why then I'm totally against for job guarantee program. but I'm totally on the way of what their content guarantee program. As much as possible, as much as knowledge I have, I want to give the total knowledge to you. The point is what? No measurement is available, no boundaries for core Java. Only the boundary is what there. What I know in core Java, I want to deliver everything. But you are the students, you must be in a position to grasp my total knowledge. At the end of the course, if you check the knowledge level, you should be in the same level of my knowledge. You should be in the same level of my knowledge. That is a simple philosophy. Because of that reason, I used to say one point there, at the end of the core Java, or at the end of any course, you should be in a position to teach Java to somebody else. Once you are in a position to teach Java to somebody else, no, automatically we are able to get job. We can play with an interviewer. Interviewer can talk only subject. You are having content full. Then definitely when interviewer is playing with you, reversely you can play with that interviewer. Such type of command is required with you on the basis of the subject. That I'm trying to improve. This is permanent solution. This is not short-term solution. Once you are completed your courses here at Durgasoft, no, next to 30 years of time, you should not come back to any institute in Hyderabad. Almost all your total lifetime, you should not come back for the courses again and again. Understand my approach here. As part of that only, as much as possible the support, as much as support what I am able to give, that entire support I am giving to you. In the point of material, maybe in the point of like video support, maybe even officially we are giving 1 year of support for videos. Not like that. Even after 1 year of time also we are able to maintain that videos. But how long we are going to maintain that videos? In a sense, our admin people are very much lazy actually. They are able to create the drives only. They don't want to delete the drives. But how long you are utilizing the drives now, up to the time the drives are going to be available. But as for, I need to give some boundary. For the sake of that boundary, I'm telling to you up to 1 year of time, but you are able to get more than that. Understand it, what I'm telling you. Okay, fine. That is a thing from my side here. And coming to this point here, job guarantee programs, why I'm against for it, no. Number of times I said to you, but once again I'm telling to you, listen carefully. If you want to get a job, what is the student participation? What is the trainer participation? If you observe this, as per my analysis, trainer participation is only 30%, where student participation is 70%. If you work 70%, then only you are able to get job. Where my work participation is what, the 30% only. That 30% is anyway I'm able to complete. Why? Because I'm not teaching only for you. I'm teaching for everybody. From my side, it's full support. Up to 30% I can give the clarity. But remaining 70% you must work. Remaining 70% if you work, then only you will get job. In the remaining 70%, how much level you are working, how much level you are understanding, then you are able to get job. Now, if it's the scenario, I can give guarantee for your job on the basis of your work, on the basis of your 70% of the work, I can give guarantee. If you're sitting in front of me, I can monitor. If you're sitting at our hostel, at our room, how I can monitor what you are doing, how I can identify that. No, that is not the way. That's why I'm not thinking about it. The point is, you must take the responsibility of getting job. Means that 70% of the time we have to work. You must work hard up to 70%. Then only you are able to get job. But from my side, it's a 30% support. It's definitely I'm able to give that. Not only that 30% is no side. What exactly the support I'm able to provide for you in the point of videos, maybe in the point of some clear-cut material, maybe everything I'm able to provide up to that level. Okay. So because of that reason, I'm not at all thinking about like what their job guarantee programs, job references programs. No, total against for as per my nature. Because of that reason, Durgasoft, we don't have any problems. At the same time, every day minimum 10 to 15 calls I used to receive. Even some personal message also I'm able to get. You are not aware about it. Yesterday I think so. Yesterday, today might be morning. I got a message from my admin people. I got a message. So one person made a call to us. Then he want to assign. He want me for the next 3 days of time completely for teaching Java, total Java. 3 days of time, 10 hours per day. How much amount you want to ask that you can ask. I'm able to. I'm ready to give that. Who requires your amount first of all? How I can assign my services to only one person 3 days of time? No. See, okay, this is one example I'm telling there. People are available in this way, in outside now. And one more thing, every day 10 to 15 calls we able to receive regarding these proxy services. There's a bad culture. The proxy services now. Do you know that? What is the meaning of this proxy services there? Okay, and recently some might be some things are happened at Amirpet. Some kind of riots were happened. Might be some people went to the station. Some people are having some cases. All these things are happened. Even before that, by the time nobody has touched Durgasoft. Nobody has touched Durgasoft. Why? Because Durgasoft is not encouraging such kind of things. Durgasoft is not encouraging such kind of things. You are not believing that one faculty is not regularly, is not taking the classes regularly. One student has given a case on consumer court previously. Immediately, on immediate action, we have removed that faculty from Durgasoft because of only one student. Really? Then why? Because then we are talking with you in the sense we are thinking about your future. We don't have any rights to play with your future. As much as we have to give more service, more content, more information, then only you will be in the right track. That action we have taken. Of course, he went through some other organization, that's okay. He maybe survived. But when student has given complaint against this one, then immediately we have taken this action. Then we shown that action to the respective student. He withdrew that case from the respective consumer court. So we don't want to go for such kind of things. No. Even we inquired about that faculty also. That faculty might be as involved in so many activities against to the organization. That is also another reason. Understand it? What I'm telling there, right? So don't go for such kind of things. See, once you are as you are the students of my classes, no, only one we have to believe. Only the point is what there. You have to believe your subject. You have to trust your subject. That's it. You have to trust your subject. Anyway, sir, I'm consuming your time, but one more minute. Last point I'm telling to you. Simple, casual, I'm asking to you this question to you. Try to answer for me. What is your age as of now at present? Your age I'm asking there. 22, 23, some of you 25. Am I right? Think a minute about it. 22 years of time or 24, 25 years of time on an average or 22 years of time. You spend time for the sake of learning or not? Completing BTech or completing PG or completing UC, then whatever it may be, you spend time for the sake of what? For learning process only. For what purpose you learn all these 22 years of time? For what time? For what purpose you are learning up to this 25 years of time, 23 years of time? For the sake of getting job or not? Now the moment when we are going to get the job, no, why we search for backdoor jobs, no? Even after 22 years of learning process, still you are searching for backdoor job in the sense, is there any meaning for our 22 years of time learning process? Is there any meaning for our past percentages in our exams, no? Do you think about it? How many exams you completed up to now? How many exams you completed up to now? Do you think about it? How many exams you completed? As of now, nearly 85 to 90 exams you completed. Right from 10th class, if you calculate 85 to 90 exams you completed. In all 85 to 90 exams you completed, in all 85 to 90 exams, no, you passed or not? Then why you think much about this Java? After all, is one subject out of 85 subjects. Why you are not going to pass in this subject? Understand it, kid? So if you have your subject, if you have the percentage, overall aggregate percentage is 80, no, definitely your winning percentage is 80%. All of these 85 exams there, your average percentage is like what, 75, no? Definitely your winning percentage is what there, 75%. In the interview hall also, interviewer may ask 10 questions to you. Not required to answer out of 10 questions, no. At least 6 or 7 questions if you answer, no, they will select. Now what I'm telling there, try to prepare yourself to answer up to that 75%. Nominally, if you come to the class, nominally if you prepare your subject there, then definitely you will get the 75% winning chances. That's your calculation. So forget about the backdoor jobs and references, referrals and all. First of all, do hard work. This is a golden time. Try to, this is one more option for you. Is a last option for you. Try to do hard work and try to go for interviews. Try to get job in our own way. Don't search for backdoor jobs. I'm sure about it. Even if you join with any company as a backdoor person there, maybe your lifetime with that company is maybe 3 months or 4 months of time. Your entire life is going to be struggle. Try to get job on the base of your subject. On the base of your subject, try to get job. Don't go for recommendations. No. If you go for as a backdoor job, there is no meaning for your 22 years of learning process. It's a waste of time. Right, sir. Just casual information I'm telling you. Think about it clearly. Right, sir. Good. Nice. Now, here, guys, now observe carefully. The next point here, what I'm telling to you. Right. Now, coming to the point here, then I think we completed what there. Some examples here we completed there. Or the last example here we completed there. Assignment operators we completed. Am I right or not? Assignment operator here we completed. Then one more simple example. Then give answers for this example here. Everybody try to understand it. All of you know. Take this example and give answers for my question. Similar example I want to provide. Now try to complete that example. Class test. Public static void main string array args. Everybody understand it? Right, sir. Then Java 6 p.m. Then tested.java. Tested.java. Right, sir. Tested.java. Now inside this tested.java, what we have, right? What we have seen there inside this. Now, first of all, I want to take into a is equal to 12. Into a is equal to 12. Right, sir. Now, system dot out dot println of a. Already this example we have seen, but once again I'm telling to you. All right, sir. Int plus a is equal to 3. A plus a is equal to a plus is equal to 3. Now system dot out dot println of a. Next one is a minus is equal to 4. System dot out dot println of a, and a star is equal to 2. System dot out dot println of a slash is equal to 5. System dot out dot println of a, no, not 5. Just I want to go for 3. Next one, a percentage is equal to 3. Now system dot out dot println of a. Try to complete it. I think yesterday example I have not explained. Am I right? Yesterday's example, you are given right answers, but still I have not explained that yesterday's example. Don't worry. Then I'll explain this. By this, we are able to get some clarity. Yeah, previous example also will explain. Don't worry. Yeah, please, please. Yes. Completed? Right, sir. What is the answer we are getting there? Now tell me. What was the answer here we are getting? Now tell me. Right, sir. First output is what there? What is the first output? No, 12. 12 is the first output. A plus is equal to 3 in the sense. This is what actually A is equal to A plus 3. That's the meaning here internally. A is equal to A plus 3. Then as per this, what is A value here? No, A is equal to A plus 3 in the sense A is what there? 12. 12 plus 3. So means that A is equal to how much here? Now tell me. 15. A is the value. A value is what there? 15 here. No. So that second output is like what there? Here we are getting 15. Am I right or not? Here itself, most of the people are giving wrong answers. All right, sir. That's okay. Fine. Now 15 is okay. Then after that, what is this next one here? No, A minus is equal to 4. What's the meaning of it? No, A is equal to A minus 4. What's the current A value here? Now tell me current A value. A is equal to 15. 15 minus 4. Then what's the value here? No, A value is what there? It will be 11. Got it or not? All right, sir. Next one. After that, now A value is what there? 11 we are getting. Next one is A star is equal to 2. It means that A is equal to A star 2. A is equal to A star 2. So here A is equal to, what's the value here? No, 11. 11 star 2. What's the value here? No, A is equal to 22. Right, sir. Now here A value here we have to display. That value is what there? 22. Next one is A slash is equal to 3. Means that, what's the meaning of it? No, A is equal to A slash 3. Means that A is equal to, what's the value here? No, 22 slash 3. Right, sir. What's the value here? 22 slash 3 in the sense, what's the value? No, come on, what's the value? Right, so 3 sevens 21, right? Okay, fine. 7. Remainder is not required. Now let's move for this. Then A value is what there? 7 we are getting. Now tell me. All right, sir. Then what is this next one here? A is equal to A percentage 3. What's the value here? No, A is equal to A value is what there? 7 percentage 3. 7 percentage 3. Then what is the value, sir? 3 2 so 6. Then what is the remainder here? No, what is the remainder? 1. 1 is the remainder. So output value is what there? 1 we are able to get. Right. So now this is a simple calculation here. We can understand about these assignment operators. Right. Anyway, then we are going to get the right answers or wrong answers. Now let me check it here. Let me compile this one clearly. Right, sir. Now D colon CD Java 6 p.m. Java C space tester.java compiled successfully Java space test. What we are getting the right answers we are getting or not? As it is, then whatever the answers here we are expecting, the same answers here we are getting. Now, okay, fine. All right, one more thing. I think so. Not required to explain that yesterday's program. Am I right? Yesterday's program already we understand. Not required to explain. Am I right? I think still people are thinking about this explanation. 1 minute. Output here we have to get for this program. All right, sir. Then anyway, even if you are expecting that yesterday's program, then nothing. Already we understood the total part here. Now this is one way of calculating this one. Now here I want to go for like what there. Another one also. Let me copy this. Right, sir. I'll explain through diagrammatic representation. I'll provide there. By that we are able to get some clarity. Anyway, now this total class test and all these things are not required. Right, sir. Anyway, then still if you want to understand this point here, now try to recognize this. How we are able to evaluate this total analysis there through this one. Into A is equal to 10 now. Observe carefully. Even we can explain, we can evaluate the today's example also in this way, but this is a standard way to evaluate this example. Into a is equal to 10 means that a variable will have 4 bytes of memory. A variable will have what there 4 bytes of memory, where that initial value of a is what there 10 now. 10 is a value. Okay, fine. Now here Cessna doubted println now. What's the value we are getting there? A. A in the sense current A value is what there 10 now. Now observe carefully here what we are getting there. A is equal to A plus 2. So here the point is what there. A is equal to A plus 2. A plus 2 in the sense A value is what there 10 now. 10 plus 2. What's the value? No, 12. The 12 value is assigned again to what there? A variable. Now immediately A value is incremented by 2. So 10 is incremented by 2. So that what's the value here we are getting there? No. 12. 12 is a value here we are getting. Observe carefully. Anyway, here I am telling to you A is equal to 10 plus 2. So that is equal to, here A value is what there? A is equal to 12. In this way we can identify. Then A value is what there? 12. Now Cessna doubted println of A. Here we are getting what value here? 12 value here we are getting. Next one is after that a minus a minus is equal to 2. So a is equal to a minus 2. Now here a value is what there already 12. A is equal to 12 minus 2. So by this we can understand what is this a value here actually. Here we can understand a is equal to 10 is a value here we are getting. So 12 is removed here. In place of this 12, what we are getting there, no 10 is a value. Right, sir. Now immediately Cessna doubted println of A. Here we are getting what value here? No, 10 is a value here we are getting. Next one is after completion of this, observe carefully. A star is equal to 2. It means that then what we are able to provide A is equal to A star 2. Means that what's the meaning of it? No, A is equal to A value is what there 10 star 2. If it is A is equal to 10 star 2, here we can understand A is equal to what there 20. So 20 value is assigned to the A. At memory, what we are having there, no 10 is removed. In place of this 10, what value here we are getting there? 20 is the value here we are getting. So Cessna doubted println of A. Now the current value of A is what there? 20 we are getting. Next one is another one. A is equal to A slash 2. So A is equal to A slash 2. It means that A is equal to, what's the value here we are getting there? 20 slash 2. A is equal to 20 slash 2 in the sense, what's the value here? No, now tell me, A is equal to, how much the value? No, 2 tens to 20. Am I right or not? So what's the value here? No, 10 we are getting there. A value 10, the 20 is replaced with 10 in the memory. Now A value is what there? 10. 10 in the memory here we are getting. Right, sir. Next one. Cessna doubted println of A. As is here we displayed this value here directly. Next one is after that. A is equal to A percentage 2. A is equal to A percentage 2. Means that what's the meaning of it? No, if it is a case here, A is equal to A value is what the 10 now. 10 percentage 2. 10 percentage 2. What we are able to understand there now, tell me. A is equal to, right, so 2 5 10 now. What's the remainder value? 0. 0 is the remainder value here. So here 10 is replaced with what there? 0. Now 10 is replaced with what there? 0. Then finally A value what we are getting there? 0. Cessna doubted println of, like what we are getting there? 0 is a value here we are getting. That's enough. This is what exactly the evolution process here we have to understand about this particular code. Right, so now this is the content here we have to understand. Then where we have to provide this. Yeah. Right. Right. Anyway, then we can understand this. Now these are the points here we understand about this. Right, sir. Now up to now, like what operators we completed here overall. Arithmetic operators we completed. Then what next one here? Assignment operators here we completed. Am I right or not? Next one is comparison operators are available. I think so, not required to discuss about it. All of you might be aware about it. Double equals, not equals, less than, greater than, less than or equal, or greater than equal. So all the concepts are very simple, right? Not required to talk about that comparison. No, basic examples are not required. Next one is after completion of it, then I need to go for like what there. Boolean logical operators. Next operators are what there? Boolean logical operators. If we want to answer for these Boolean logical operators, here we have to understand the truth table of the Boolean logical operators. Truth table of the Boolean logical operators here we have to understand. Got it or not? Alright, sir. Then how we are able to provide this one? All of you observe carefully. Now I will give some values can now try to understand it. Truth table I am able to provide A and B, A or B, A exclusive or B. These are the things here we have taken. Observe carefully is a truth table. As per the truth table only we are able to prepare what their operations now. Alright, sir. If A value, B value both are true. Next one is true and false. Next one is a false and true. Then after that false and false. Alright, sir. Now tell me. And operation true and true, true only. True and false, false only. False and true, false only. False and false, false only. Next one is true or true, true only. True or false, true only. And false or true, true only. False or false, false only. And one more thing, exclusive or operation somewhat different. If both are same, result is a false. Both are different, the result is a true. Simple. Remember the shortcut. If both are same, result value is what they're false. Both are different, result value is what they're true. True exclusive or true, false. True exclusive or false, true. False exclusive or true, true. False exclusive or false, false only. Both are same, it will be like what they're false. Both are different, it will be true. This is like what their exclusive or operator clearly we are understanding. Now let's see one example here on the base of this. No, on the base of this, now see one example here so that we are able to get some awareness here. Simple example, namesake example only. Right. Now let me prepare this example now. Don't worry. Then anyway, then I'm including everything in the document here so that you are able to understand it. Say for example, the first one is like what I'm telling to you. Now I want to take a Boolean B1 is equal to true. Boolean B1 is equal to what there? True. True is a value here we are getting. Boolean B1 is equal to true. Boolean B2 is equal to false. Two things here I've taken. Boolean B1 is equal to true. Boolean B2 is equal to false. 1 minute, sir. Right, sir. Boolean B1 is equal to true. Boolean B2 is equal to false. Now, first of all, here what I am telling there, system.out.println of directly I want to say B1 and B2. First of all, observe carefully what I am telling there, B1 and B2. Next one is like B1 and B1. Next one is B1 and B2. Next one is B2 and B1. Next one is B2 and B2. Right, so now they are the operations can be performed here. Next one is like what there. Next one, in place of this and I want to perform like what there, R operator. R operator. Here also here we have to perform like what there, R operator. Then after that, we need to perform like what there, exclusive R. Right, sir. Exclusive or like what there, cap symbol. Here we have to use this. All right, sir. Anyway, this is a simple example. Almost I am repeating the truth table only, not any other one. Now tell me, what outputs here we are getting there? First values are B1 value is true, B2 value is what there, false. Try to recognize this. Now here, tell me B1 and B1, that means true and true. What is the value now? True. Next one is a true and false. False. False and true. False. False and false. False. That's okay, fine. Next one. True or true. True only. True or false. True only. False or true. True only. False or false. False. Next one is after that. Observe carefully. True exclusive or true. False. True exclusive or false. True. Next one is a false exclusive or true. True only. And false exclusive or false. False here. Now these are the values here we are having clearly. So just like a simple example I've given, now we can compare and we can execute this program also. There we are able to get some outputs. First of all, let me compile and execute this here. Yeah, saved it. These are namesake examples only. We may not have much questions on this particular one. Just only rewinding I'm giving there so that we can understand clearly. All right, sir. All the values here we are getting as is. First four are related to what there and operations, and the next four are related to what there are operation. Last are related to what there exclusive are. Outputs point of view also be some differences existed. All right, now let me copy this and here we can give some outputs. All right, sir. Then after that, after giving these points here, the next one is like what I'm telling to you after completion of this. All of you guys, observe carefully. After this, I want to give like what next one here after completion of this. Listen carefully. Like a logical bitwise operators I want to give. If you want to answer for these logical bitwise operators, if you want to answer there, we need to go for again truth table. Truth table for bitwise operators now. What are the truth table for bitwise operators here? Observe carefully. Say for example, A, B, A and B, A or B, then what next one here? A exclusive or B. These are the things here we have taken. Now answer for it clearly. First of all here, what I am telling there, 0, then what next one here? 0. And 0, 1, 1, 0. Then what next one here? No, 1, 1. They are the values here. Now observe carefully. A and B. A and B in the sense what there? 0 and 0. What's the value here? 0. 0 and 1. What's the value here? 0 and 1 now. See, this is, don't compare with the as it is of the previous table. Okay, previous table we can compare there. In place of true, we have to provide 1. In place of false, we have to provide what there? False. 0. So here, reversely I am giving that operations here. 0, 0. That means equal to false, false. Initially, previously we have started with the true, true. Now we started with what there? False, false. Please recognize this. 0 and 0 is what there? 0. 0 and 1 is what there? 0. 1 and 0 is what there? 0. 1 and 1 is what there? 1. Right, sir. Similarly, 1, 0 or 0. What's the value? 0. 0 or 1. 1. 1 or 0. 1. 1 or 1. 1. Right, sir. Next one is exclusive or operators. We can understand there. If both are same, it will be 0. Both are different, it will be what there? 1. Right, so 0 exclusive or 0. 0 only. 0 exclusive or 1. 1 only. 1 exclusive or 0. 1 only. 1 exclusive or 1. What's the value here? 0. These are truth table, guys. Now here we have to implement the example. All of you take this example now. This is an exercise for you. They have to complete this example. Okay. Right. Now, understand this. Right. Now, first one is into A is equal to 10 into B is equal to 2 into A is equal to 10 into B is equal to 2. System dot out dot println of A and B. System dot out dot println of A or B. System dot out dot println of A exclusive or B. System dot out dot println of A left shift B. Right. So next one. System dot out dot println of A right shift B. Right. Try to find the output for this programs. I think some of you are struck, right? Then how to start? I'm giving clue for you. Now try to follow this. First, convert 10 and 2 values into binary number, zeros and ones, binary number. After converting that 10 and 2 into the binary number, compare bit by bit, right to left, rightmost to leftmost, compare bit by bit in both the numbers. Then where maybe you may get the comparison between zeros and ones only. Truth table I given already. As per the truth table, try to find the results. After getting some result there, convert into decimal, then the decimal value is the result. Totally a foreign movie, right? Right. I'll explain that, but try for it. What I'm doing, first of all, try to convert into binary numbers. No, what is the binary number for 10? 1010. What is the binary number for 2? 0010 0010. They are the mathematics, might be schooling mathematics, right? Converting it. Then after that, what I'm telling there, compare this bit and this bit. Next, compare this bit and this bit. Compare this bit and this bit, this bit and this bit, as per the AND operator, as per the OR operator, as per the exclusive OR. There we are able to get some results after the comparison, convert that result into decimal. The decimal is the equivalent value. But comparison must be performed from right to left. Comparison must be performed from what there? Right to left. At least try for it. What you are thinking, try for it. I'll explain. Definitely, I'll explain that. And the left shift and right shift operators, I'll give some shortcuts. Easily we can identify that. Right, sir. Any of you are getting outputs? Yes, complete it. Right, sir. What are the answers we are getting there? What is the answer for AND operation? 2, right? 2 or 3. Our operation result is what there? What is that? 10 or 8? 10. Okay, then I don't know. Then I'll calculate it. I'll give the answer there, but I'm writing your answers only. Okay, some people are saying 8, some people are saying 10. Okay, next one. Exclusive or 8. Right, sir? 8. Then what next one? Left shift. Not calculated, no? My online people are giving answer for it is what there 40. And right shift operation is what there 2. Right, I may not give these are the right answers, no, but I need to calculate them, then only I can confirm the answers anyway. Right, now let me delete all of them. I will give the answers properly. Right, sir. Now anyway, now let me give this total program. Right, sir. Okay, now try to understand it clearly. First of all, a value is what there, a value is equal to 10. Convert this 10 into like what there binary number. At present 4-digit binary number is sufficient. So here what we have to provide there 1010. All right, so next one is b is equal to 2. So convert this 2 into binary number. That value is like what there 0010. For the sake of our calculation, I'm giving some spaces there. Now try to understand it. All right, so the positions are very, very important. In that positions only, we have to provide the values. All right, sir. Now here, what I am telling to you after this, now I'll provide, first of all, A and B. A and B. We are providing like what there, A and B. First, we have to start comparison from right to left. What comparisons here we have to perform there? Observe carefully. We have to perform this comparison first. We have to perform this comparison first. Next, this comparison. Next, this comparison. Then after that, this comparison. The comparison must be performed from right to left. Comparison must be provided in this direction. Observe carefully. Now tell me here. First of all, AND operation 0 and 0. In the truth table already we have it. Am I right or not? In the truth table already we have it. 0 and 0. What's the value, sir? Now tell me. 0. 0 and 0 is what there? 0. Next one is after that 1 and 1. 1 and 1. 1. Observe carefully. 1 and 1 is what there? 1. Next one 0 and 0. 0 and 0. 0 only. Right, sir. Next one after that 1 and 0. 1 and 0. What's the value here? 0 only. So 0, 0, 1, 0. What's the value here? Now tell me. 0, 0, 1, 0. Then what's the value here? No, 2. 2 is an output here we are getting. Next one is similarly 1 R B. That means A R B. A R B. Observe carefully. Now this time that comparison we have to do on the basis of what there R operator. 0 R 0. What we are able to get, sir? 0 only. Next one 1 R 1 now. What's the value here? No, 1 only. Right. So next one 0 R 0. Again here what we are getting there? 0 only. Next one after this. What next one here? Observe carefully. 1 R 0. What's the value here we are getting there? 1 R 0. 1 now. 1 R 0 is what there? 1 now. So 1010, what is the value here we are getting there? No, that value is like what is there? 10. 10 is an output we are getting. Next, similarly, A exclusive or B. What is that one? A exclusive or B. Now, all of you observe carefully what we are able to get. No, both are same, it will be 0. If both are different, it will be what there? 1 num. Now tell me, 0, 0 exclusive or 0. What is the value, sir? Now tell me, both are 0. So it will be, both are same, it will be 0. Next one is after that. What next one here? Observe carefully. After that. Now here, 1 exclusive or 1, both are same. Again here, what we have to provide there? 0. Here we have to provide. Next one, after that. Now this time, it will be like what there? Both are same again. When both are same again here, what's the value here we have to provide there? 0. Now here, 1 exclusive or 0. Both are different. When both are different here, what we have to provide there? 1. Both are different, 1. Now tell me, what is the value here? No, this is no. All right, sir. 0 into 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. 1 into 2 power 3, 1 into 2 cube. What is the value here? No? 8. 8 is the value. No? Converting into the decimal. Already you are aware about it. How to convert a binary number into decimal. Just conversion. 0 into 2 power 0 plus 0 into 2 power 1 plus 0 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 power 3. That means 2 cube. What is the value? 8. 8 is the value we are getting. So up to this, okay, fine. As per the truth table here, we are getting up to this part now. Next one, what I'm telling there, after that, here we have to go for like what there, left shift and right shift operations now. Directly, I'm going to give some shortcut here. Otherwise, we have to go for shift operation, bit by bit, we have to shift now, but not required here. There we have to go for what there, one shortcut. Try to understand it now. A left shift B. What is the meaning of it here now? 10 left shift by 2. Am I right or not? So first of all here, what I'm telling to you, try to get the 10 into the binary number in 4-digit form. Try to get the 10 into what there? 4-digit form like a 10 now. What is the value here now? 1010. Got it or not? So now here, left shift by 2 in the sense, 1 minute guess, left shift by 2 in the sense, what we have to do there? Is it a 4-digit form or 8-digit form? 1 minute no. Okay, no problem. Let us complete this. Now, what is the value here we are getting there now? 1010, this is a value here. Left shift by 2 in the sense, what is the meaning of it here? Remove 2 symbols at the left side. Remove 2 symbols at left side. Append 2 zeros at right side. Is it clear? Is it okay? Not sir. Then what's the value here? We have to get the left shift in the sense, not like this. 1 minute. Let me check once now. If the problem is what there, 8-digit form here if you take no. Then what next one here? 1010. Left shift by 2. That means to remove 2 symbols at left side, append 2 zeros at right side. Okay, what's the value here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, exactly. Right. This is a calculation. No? All of you guys observe carefully what I'm telling to you. First of all, what I'm telling there, whenever we are performing these shift operations now, first of all, try to take a 8-bit form. Don't take only 4-bit form. If you take 4-bit form, maybe some wrong answers we are able to get. No, try to take like what there 8-bit form. Right, 8-bit form for 10 is what there leftmost 4 zeros. Next one is what there 1010. This is what there 8-bit form for what there that 10 value. Okay, fine. Now what is the calculation? Simple calculation now. Observe carefully. Simple calculation is what there. Same thing I'm writing now. Left shift by 2 in the sense what I'm telling there. Remove 2 symbols at left side. Remove 2 symbols at what side? Left side. Append 2 zeros at the right side. Remove 2 symbols at the left side. Append 2 zeros at what side? There right side. Left shift by 2. Shift by 2. Left shift by 2 in the sense removable symbols must be at left side. Whatever the symbols we are having, try to remove 2 symbols at left side. But appendable symbols must be zeros. At right side we have to append what there? Zeros only. At right side we have to append what there? Zeros only. Observe carefully. Now tell me, what is the result of this particular one here? What's the result here now? Now this is like what I'm telling you, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. That is 8. 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. 2 power 5 is a 32. 32 plus 8. What's the value now? 32 plus 8. Here, what's the value here? 40. 40 is the value here we are able to get. So left shift operation is what there? 40. Come again here. What is the logic I applied there? First of all, prepare that binary number in 8-bit form. Leftmost provide the zeros, then what next one here? 1010 here we can take. That's okay, fine. Left shift by 2 in the sense remove two symbols at left side, append it to zeros at the right side. Removable symbols as is what we have the symbols there that we have to remove, but appended symbols must be zeros only. We should not append the zeros and ones. We should not append then whatever the removable symbols we are having here, don't append that removed symbols. No, not like this. Remove two symbols at left side, but append two symbols, append to zeros at the right side. Removable symbols may be anything, maybe zeros or ones, but appended symbols must be what there? Zeros only. Appendable symbols are like what there? Zeros only. Observe carefully. Right, sir. Now here, this is a equation. No? Now in this scenario, what I'm telling there, 0, 0 left side, two zeros are available. Just we remove them. Right side we ordered, we appended what there? Two zeros now. So this is like what there now. The equation is like what there. Now we can understand clearly. This is 2 power 0. This is 2 power 1 now. Then what next one get? Then after that 2 power 2. Then after that, what next one get? After completion of this, then this is 2 power 3, and this is like what the 2 power 4. Now this is like what the 2 power 5. Observe carefully. Now here, what the equation here? 1 into 2 power 5 plus what next one here? No, 3 into 2 power 3. Am I right or not? All the remaining things are what there? Zeros only. Now the calculation is what there? 2 power 5. What is the value here? No, 2 power 5 is the value what there? 32. Plus 2 power 3. That means 2 cube is the value what there? 8. So what is the result here? No, 40. 40 is an output here we are getting. Sir, all of you are following or not? All of you follow or not? Right, sir. This is exactly the calculation about like what there? Left shift. Again, I'm telling to you, if it is a left shift by 2, remove two symbols at the left side, append it to zeros at what side there? Right side. Similarly, now let us see another one. Another one is like what I'm telling to you. Observe carefully. A right shift by 2. Right shift operation here I'm trying to perform. A right shift to 2 means that what is the meaning of it? No, 10 right shift by 2. So what's the meaning of it here? First of all, prepare the 10 value in 8-bit form. Prepare 10 value in what form there? No, 8-bit form. That means 4 zeros, 1 0, 1 0. That what we prepared. Observe carefully. All right, sir. Now here, what I am telling there, as this values here I want to take here. Now 4 zeros, 1 0, 1 0. Now this time right shift by 2. This time right shift by 2 in the sense, what is the meaning of it? You know, observe carefully. Remove two symbols at right side. That removable symbols may be anything. Two symbols we have to remove at what side? The right side. But append it to zeros at left side. Append it to zeros at which side? There no left side. Yes, sir, got my point or not? Remove two symbols at what? Right side. Append two symbols at what? There left side. Why only two symbols now? Tell me. Why only two symbols? No, left shift by 2, right shift by 2 we provided now. As per the 2 only, we are performing this operation there. Remove two symbols at the right side, append two zeros at what side there? No, left side here. No. Right, so now here we can understand this is a value. Now tell me, what is the decimal equivalent for this particular one here? No, right, 0 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0, 1 into, that means what is the value here? No, 2, 2 is the value here. 1 into 2 power 1. 0 into 2 power 0 plus 1 into 2 power 1. What is the 1 into 2 power 1 here? 2 power 1 in the sense 2 only. Now what is the value here? No, 2 only. Here we are getting. Finally, answer for this particular one is what there? What is the answer for this particular one? Can you tell me? 2, 10, 8, 40 and 2. 2, 10, 8, 40 and 2. They are the values here we are getting now. Right, so now let me check these values also. I want to show some output also there. Don't worry. This diagram I am giving there about this clarification. Now let us see this program here. Right, so now let me compile and execute this, what we are able to get. Right, so now Java C space test.java compiled successfully, Java space test. Right, what is the output here we are getting there? 210, 8, 40 and 2. Right, so now this is a program. Then output also be here we have to see. Mm, Right, sir. This is the total we have given. All of you know, and take one more example. You have to complete this example or try to complete this example, all of you. Right, sir. Into A is equal to 3, into B is equal to 3, into A is equal to 10, B is equal to 3. Into A is equal to 10, B is equal to, into B is equal to 3. Yes, sir. Complete it. All right, guys, completed. So what we are getting answers here? Right, sir. Anyway, then I'm giving output, try to calculate it. Java C space tester.java compiled successfully. Java space tester. See this one. Outputs we are getting like this. 2119801. All of you are getting right output. Left shift and right shift operators are getting any wrong? That, have you got the outputs as per the process? Right, sir. Now this is an exercise to you. Now try to evaluate this. Whatever the process I have given to you, as per that process you have to evaluate. If you are not getting output, then I will explain to you. Don't worry. But anyway, try in your own way for this example and output I am giving there. But try to evaluate it. How this output is generated. Sir, got it or not? How this output is generated. Now try to evaluate this. I'm giving this example to you as per the process. Whatever the process are given there, try in that way. If you're not getting output, then definitely I'll explain to you. Don't worry. Okay. Right, sir. Then tomorrow, then I want to finish this session today. And tomorrow, we don't have any session. Next class will be on Monday. Monday will explain one time this. If you're not getting output, then after that I'll move forward to the next examples. We have so many examples there. I will discuss about the next examples. Right, sir. Now just 7:30 session I will take. Might be within 5 minutes. Just take care. Those are attending at 7:30. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. I'll meet on Monday again. Monday we will see that 6 o'clock class continuation. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yes, Ankar, class is not available. Exam I will conduct. Exam I will conduct, right? 7:30. Yeah, come here, then I will send a paper to you. Okay, thank you. Mohan. Mohan Padikiti, one time share your, that means send your pay slip and as well as like what there to this number, you will get it. Mohan. Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. Then send your pay slips to this WhatsApp number. Then our people send your name and email ID and mobile number and pay slip paper. No, that means automated level. Our people will send it. Have you sent it? Have you sent all the details? No, to this number WhatsApp. Please respond for me. Have you sent that details? Yeah, guys. Then if you want to get that video supported, just try to send WhatsApp message to this number. This number is an official my classroom number there. Then okay, don't worry. Then I will check it. I will check it once again. Try to check it. And please check your mail also one time. Why? Because whenever we are sending this receipts and all, immediately our people are sending that access link to you. So please check your mail also one time. Still, if it is not coming, then once again send it. Then maybe I will check. I will process it. Yeah, please try to check your email ID. Maybe anything is wrong inside this email ID. Maybe it may be the problem there. Now try to send it. Okay. All right. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. Not email now. Then what I'm telling there, then try, to that WhatsApp number, send your transaction slip and as well as your email ID, mobile number all. To this number, I'm giving one number there in the screen. Send to that. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah.